Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the essentials live. Confirm the Samsung TV supports AirPlay 2 or you have a compatible adapter, and make sure both the iPhone and TV are on the same Wi-Fi network. Once done, enable AirPlay on the TV through Settings, General Apple AirPlay Settings, turn it on. You do this first because the devices must discover one another. Without the network and AirPlay turned on, mirroring and casting simply won't start. Now you move to the iPhone, open Control Center and tap Screen Mirroring, then select your Samsung TV from the list. You'll see a 4-digit code on the TV sometimes. Enter it on your phone to pair. Alternatively, when using apps like Photos or YouTube, tap the AirPlay icon and choose the TV to stream directly. Make sure to close bandwidth-heavy apps if video stutters. Reduced network congestion stabilizes the connection and lowers latency for smoother playback. To complete the setup, check audio and visual settings, adjust TV volume and iPhone brightness, and verify audio sync during playback. If the TV doesn't appear or streaming fails, restart the router, then the TV, then the iPhone. Rebooting clears temporary networking hiccups. Make sure both devices run the latest firmware and iOS to resolve compatibility issues. One quick troubleshooting tip: if audio lags behind video, disconnect and reconnect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.